What is up, guys? And today, another unboxing is gonna happen. Dumating yung keycap na binili ko. It's just 100 pesos. During this ECQ, medyo na-delay lang. Pero, I think it's still worth the wait. This is a resin plastic keycap. Actually, galing pa to ng all the way from Apalit, Pampanga. So, ganito lang naman kalit. Isang piraso lang yung binili ko. Just to try it out. It says thank you here. It's very sweet. This is gonna be quick. And guys, after I show you the keycap, I'm going to put this on my keyboard and let's see how it looks sa RGB na keyboard. So, nagustuhan ko siya dahil meron siyang translucency. Medyo translucent siya kasi resin siya. Alright. Oh, nice. So, it's in a parang dental floss na lagay na plastic. Okay, and you are gonna have a 2 square stickers of the logo of Dota 2, which is really nice. Ilalagay ko sa mouse ko. It's cute. Tapos hindi waterproof din siya. It's so nice. It's so cute. And here is the keycap. Here is the keycap, guys. Okay. So, I don't know. Feeling ko bibili pa ako ng mangilan-ngilan pa kasi this one is translucent and it's gonna bring the shine out of your keyboard, yung RGB niya. And this is just 100 pesos per piece. So it's, well, medyo mahal, no? Like, I bought my pudding keycaps for 800 pesos. That's 114 keys. And this one, pag bumili ka ng 8 nito, 800 pieces na yun, wala lang. Samantalang sa pudding keycaps ko na white, 114 keys. So, itong binili ko ay Dota 2 logo. So, yun na. Testing na natin. So, here's the keycap puller. Pull natin. By the way, guys, this is the blue keycaps. So, napansin niyo yung tunog, it's quite different. Lapit mo ng konti para marinig nila. Sounds nice. Nawala, medyo nag-lessen yung annoying sound ng blue switch. Kasi tak. Ganun yung tunog ng ng blue switch eh. Dito sa pudding ko, sa stock, it's quieter. And it feels nice. It feels nice when pressing it. And yung it's so smooth to the touch. Yung material niya kasi resin. Okay, so pag tinitingnan mo siya directly, medyo may angulo na medyo nakakasilaw. Kasi tumatagos talaga yung LED light. Which is nice. So, palitan natin ng color. Parang Christmas lights. Ayan na, dito. Dito nyo mapapansin talaga yung ganda ng resin. Since it's translucent. Pero hindi siya yung ganon katumatagos, not unlike the puddings. Ang difference kasi nito parang mas makapal siya compared sa puddings. Pero kahit ganyan siya ka-translucent, hindi tumatagos yung light. Hindi kagaya nito ng mga puddings. See the difference. Diba? So, ang resulta natin, mas maganda pa rin ng kung gusto mo talaga ng ma-fully experience or ma-fully optimize yung RGB lighting ng keyboards ninyo, you'd still go for the white pudding keycaps. Pero this one is just for aesthetics and just for my keyboard to look a little bit different, no? For testing lang naman din to, para makita nyo na rin kung ano maging itsura ng keyboard nyo pag bumili kayo ng resin keycap. Ililink ko na rin lang sa description below yung ililink ko na lang sa description below yung link. Okay, hindi ko ililink sa description below. Pangalawang beses ko na to. Anyway guys, yun lang. I hope you like my video, and I'm gonna look for another resin keycap from that store, and I'm gonna think kung saan mas maganda ilagay yun. Gusto ko sa lagi kong pinipindot na keys. Gusto ko doon ko ilalagay para ayan, mas maganda yung experience. So yun lang guys. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like my video, and share it kung may malasakit kayo sa mga kapwa gamers ninyo. Okay? Peace. Mas mado kasi ako.